Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. And today, Ibrahim will read his lesson, inshallah. And he is from America. Ibrahim, how are you?
I'm very good, alhamdulillah.
Okay, good. So, Ibrahim, did you memorize your lesson?
Yes,
Okay,
I
good.
did.
Okay, good. And are you ready to read?
Yes.
Okay, good. And please recite dua before start lesson.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما.
MashaAllah. But you forgot to recite ta'uz and tasmiyah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Okay, don't worry. So, can you see this page?
Yes, I can.
Okay, the chapter number is 21st and ruku number 12, and it has 11 verses. So, okay, my viewers, please share this video, like this video, and on your Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching this video. So, Ibrahim, please read your lesson. And if you make a mistake, then I will tell you that how to pronounce right now. So, please,
Okay.
Ya ayyuhalladina.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ جاء
Ni'ma tallahi. Tallahi. You will read with the tafkhim because there is a zabar before Allah name, right? Look at this one. This is a zabar, okay, before Allah.
अच्छा.
So you will read with the tafkhim boldly. Ni'ma tallahi alaykum. Now read it.
نعمة الله عليكم إذ جاءتكم جنود فأرسلنا عليهم ريحا وجنودا لم تروها وكان الله بما تعملون بصيرا إذ جاءوكم من فوقكم ومن أسفل منكم وإذ
زاغت الأبصار
زاغت الأبصار وبلغت القلوب الحناجر وتظنون بالله الظنون.
Very good. Okay, I tell you something about this is the idgham shafwi. There is a double meme. First one is meme sakin and second one is a meme mushadda. So we call it idgham shafwi. This is a vowel here, fao, okay, and this is a izhar shafwi here, kum, and you will make izhar here or min, okay, because afternoon hamza is appearing. So this is the throttle letters, and there were 6 throttle letters. So we will read this nun sakina clearly. Wa min asfala, okay. This is ikhfa letter. This one kaf is a ikhfa letter because after nun sakina kaf is coming. You will read like this: asfala minkum, right? وَإِذْ زَوَتِلْ أَبْصَارُ. This is the huruf kalkala. Ba is the huruf kalkala because there is a jazm sign on the ba, and I told you that there were 5 huruf kalkala. Okay, kutubu jaddin. Right now, okay, and please read next one.
Okay. هو هنالك ابتلي الحمد لله.
Yarhamukallah, and then reply.
يهديكم الله.
Good, very good,
يهديكم الله.
very good.
ليبتلي
المؤمنون.
هنالك المؤمنون وزلزلوا زلزالا شديد
زلزالا شديدا. Okay, you will make ikfa here. Okay, zilzalan, after tanween shin letter is coming. Okay, you will make a ikfa here. Lan shadida.
زلزالا شديدا وإذ يقول المنافقون والذين في قلوبهم مرض وعدنا الله ورسوله إلا غرورا غرورا وإذ قالت
طائفة منهم
وإذ قالت طائفة منهم يا أهل يثرب لا مقام لكم فارجعوا ويستأذنوا.
Okay, this is, look at this one. This is a tiny jim in the middle of the verse. Okay, what is the purpose of this? I will tell you. There is jim. Okay, this is the sign of the waqf jazz. Here it's better to stop, but also permissible to continue. Is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Speak loudly and confidently. Okay. Okay. Yes. Ta'adhinu. You will make a little bit twitch here because Hamza is a sakin. Hamza is, we call it Hamza Skoon. Okay, because there is a jazm sign on it. Yes. Ta'adhinu. Read it. Yes.
Ta'zinu.
Very good.
Ta'zinu.
Yes. Next, please.
فريق منهم النبي يقولون إن بيوتنا عورة
Yes.
عورة وما هي بعورة بعورة يريدون إلا فرارا.
Okay, thank you very much, beta. Thank you very much, and you did very good today, and see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Allah Hafiz.